Welcome back to Motor Masters, the channel where the sky's not the limit, it's just the beginning. Whether it's tanks, jets, or helicopters, if it's built for power and performance, we're bringing it to you. So subscribe, sit tight, and get ready, because today we're taking to the skies with one of the most recognizable helicopter families in the world, the Eurocopter. The name Eurocopter might not be as flashy as some of the fighter jets we've covered, but make no mistake, this family of rotorcraft has quietly shaped the modern helicopter industry, from emergency response to elite military missions. Today, the brand is officially known as Airbus helicopters, but the Eurocopter legacy is still flying high across skies worldwide. Born from a merger in 1992 between the helicopter divisions of France's Aerospatiale and Germany's Daimler-Benz Aerospace, Eurocopter quickly became a powerhouse in the global aviation market. Let's start with what makes Eurocopter machines so important. Unlike single-purpose designs that specialize in either combat or civilian work, Eurocopter platforms are known for their versatility. These helicopters are designed to serve, and serve well, across a wide spectrum of missions. We're talking search and rescue, medical evacuations, corporate transport, utility work, naval support, and of course, military operations. That adaptability is the core of the Eurocopter legacy. One of the most well-known models is the EC135, a twin-engine light utility helicopter that's become the go-to for emergency medical services around the world. You've probably seen one without even realizing it. With its compact size, low noise profile, and high maneuverability, the EC135 can land on rooftops, navigate through urban canyons, and save lives in critical moments. It's often the first to arrive when time is everything, and thanks to its advanced avionics and autopilot systems, the crew can focus on the mission rather than fighting the machine. Then there's the EC145, another star in the Eurocopter lineup. A larger, more capable cousin to the 135, this twin-engine chopper has become a favorite for law enforcement, search and rescue, and VIP transport. Its high-set tail boom and large sliding side doors make it incredibly practical for loading stretchers or passengers. The EC145 is also used by military forces under the name H145M, offering light attack and utility capabilities with modular weapons, advanced targeting, and ballistic protection. It's agile, reliable, and built to perform in some of the harshest conditions imaginable. But if you really want to talk about Eurocopter's engineering muscle, look no further than the Tiger attack helicopter. A purebred combat machine, the Tiger was developed jointly by France and Germany and has seen combat deployments in Afghanistan, Mali, and beyond. Armed with 30mm cannons, air-to-ground missiles, and air-to-air rockets, the Tiger is fast, stealthy, and lethal. It uses a glass cockpit, fly-by-wire controls, and a composite frame to stay light, agile, and survivable under fire. It's a perfect example of how Eurocopter blended high technology with battlefield toughness. Now let's talk innovation, something Eurocopter was always known for. One of their most notable breakthroughs was the fenestron tail rotor. Instead of the traditional exposed rotor blades at the back, this design uses a shrouded fan-in-fin system. It drastically reduces noise, enhances safety on the ground, and improves aerodynamic efficiency. You'll find the fenestron on many Eurocopter models, including the Dauphin, another iconic aircraft that's served both civilian and military roles since the 1970s. The Dauphin and its upgraded variant, the EC135, have become staples in naval fleets and coast guards around the globe, and that brings us to the NH90, a versatile military helicopter developed in collaboration with other European nations. Though technically developed by NH Industries, Eurocopter played a major role in its design and production. The NH90 is a modern, multi-role platform used for troop transport, medevac, special forces insertion, and anti-submarine warfare. It features fly-by-wire controls, a composite fuselage, and can operate from both land and ships. Whether it's ferrying soldiers or hunting submarines, the NH90 brings Eurocopter's DNA of precision, modularity, and adaptability. Throughout the years, the Eurocopter brand focused not just on performance, but also on safety and ease of use. Pilots consistently praise Eurocopter aircraft for their responsive handling, well-laid-out cockpits, and advanced autopilot systems that reduce workload in high-pressure situations. These aren't just features, they're life-saving technologies, especially in environments where one mistake can cost lives. Another reason why Eurocopter helicopters are so widespread is maintainability. Their modular components, simplified maintenance systems, and global support network have made them a favorite for operators who need maximum uptime with minimal downtime. That's why you'll find them in service across more than 150 countries, from urban medevac teams in Tokyo to special forces in Europe and coast guards in South America. With the rebranding to Airbus helicopters in 2014, the legacy of Eurocopter continues under new leadership and a new name, but the machines, the designs, and the innovations live on. Aircraft like the H125, H145, H160, and H175 all trace their roots back to Eurocopter's pioneering work in rotorcraft technology. The focus remains on pushing the limits, better performance, more safety, and cleaner, quieter operation. In fact, Airbus Helicopters is now leading the charge toward hybrid electric and eco-friendly helicopter solutions for the future, building on the solid foundation that Eurocopter laid down. So what does the Eurocopter legacy really represent? It's a story of evolution, collaboration, and precision engineering. These helicopters weren't built to break records, they were built to save lives, carry out missions, and meet the needs of a rapidly changing world. Whether it's lifting a patient from a city rooftop, delivering troops to a hot zone, or tracking enemy submarines, the machines born under the Eurocopter banner have done it all, and they're still doing it. They may not be the flashiest machines out there, but they are some of the most dependable, efficient, and essential aircraft ever built. That's the kind of story we live for here on Motor Masters. If you enjoyed this high-flying journey through the world of Eurocopter, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe to Motor Masters for more epic deep dives into the world's most powerful and iconic machines, whether they tear up the roads, rule the skies, or dominate the battlefield. And don't forget to ring that bell so you never miss a takeoff with us. Until next time, keep your rotors spinning, your skies clear, and remember, at Motor Masters, we don't just admire machines, we live for them.